So I can tell you a little bit about how analog devices fits into IoT. We're the measurement sensing company. We're the company that captures data at the sensor, converts that with some signal processing and analyzes the data to transform it into information. And of course, going into the deep domain knowledge of that signal, we can then have a huge impact in terms of that final value for the application itself. So it allows us, with that deep domain knowledge and with cloud computing, we're now able to add to what we were already good at, is sensing, capturing, measuring, this ability to have analytics at the node and at the cloud. So every point on the information journey, we're able to add value, have that digital conversation, and basically mine value for our customers, for ourselves, and of course for our partners. My background at ADI is on product development. My role here is Vice President of Healthcare Consumer and IoT Strategy for the company. So it's all about solving problems. My background in product design would have been solving problems, and now that's transformed into these system solutions where we're solving problems that make even a bigger impact. Right? So it's going from the circuit itself right up to the end application to be able to generate more value and also capture more value. So ADI's products and solutions are now ever more important in this new wave of IoT. It's the wave of ubiquitous sensing. Everything is being instrumented, everyone is being instrumented. So we're finding now that we're being drawn into conversations with our customers and with our partners to solve the really difficult problems. Solving those problems takes not just capturing the data, but it takes knowing about the science behind the data, about the domain knowledge of the application itself, and that's what we're really good at. So we're finding that the capabilities that we have, in a way, the world is coming to ADI. We're being invited into all these conversations, and we're making the difference, solving problems that we were not able to solve before. IoT is giving us this capability to be able to analyze data and make much more of an impact from what we measure right to the end application. So the presentation that we just did on transforming industry in IoT is really about how we're applying the depth and insight of our technology into these newer businesses. So you take businesses that really have high value, like industrial, smart machine, smart city. You take a case where you might want healthcare to be transformed. Our solutions are now much more relevant, much more impactful. We are the ones who are able to take extra insight from the measurement and affect an end result which might make an industrial plant more efficient, higher output. The machine doesn't go down as much as it did before. The person stays healthier because their health is managed better than it would have been before. It stops them progressing from maybe being pre-diabetic to needing insulin, maybe even to needing dialysis. So we're seeing our solutions, our instrumentation, being able to transform many industries. They're high-value industries. Being able to save that cost in a smart factory pays for any amount of instrumentation. So we're seeing a huge multiplier in the value of what we do at the product level right up to that end application solution level. The benefits of exhibiting and sponsoring at Internet of Things are aligned to the number of people that are talking about this ecosystem. We have partners, we've got people coming up with new ideas, we've got people that are looking to take our ideas and apply them differently. So it's not just one company that's going to own the IoT business of the future. It's a combination of technologies that are optimized together to do something that's bigger than anyone could do on its own. So I think it's a great show to have that network. It's a great show to explore those problems and to come up with solutions out of that that are different from what we would have considered before. So it's really a show for innovation. Three words to describe IoT. I think it's about exploring problems, so there's an exploration aspect to it. It's about partnering with different people in the ecosystem, and I think it's about innovating to a result that we didn't have before. So I think it's all about taking that collaboration with people and innovating to new solutions.